So everybody knows what argan oil is, or at least you've heard of some products that contain argan oil. What is argan oil? So argan oil actually comes from the Moroccan argan tree, and sometimes it's even called the liquid gold. It contains vitamin E and also fatty acids, which are going to make your skin and your hair super moisturized and soft. Moroccan women have been using argan oil to protect their skin from the sun for centuries already. And it also extends to the hair. Thanks to the vitamin E, antioxidants and fatty acids, your hair will suffer less breakage and shedding. We introduce to you the CP1 Premium Hair Treatment. This is the ultimate salon treatment which can be used from the comfort of your own house. So this product not only has argan oil, but another 11 low and high molecular proteins, which will help your hair to be strong and healthy. So how do you use this product? Basically, with either dry or wet hair, you're going to apply the product, leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. You're going to see the effects immediately because your hair is going to be shiny and pretty.